Hey everybody, Leonard Kinsey here, covering an event for the Baltimore Post-Examiner. It is the opening of the Firebird roller coaster at Six Flags America in Bowie, Maryland. Got to go backstage, dark side. I think they're going to load us into a van, and then we're going to go ride a coaster.
Leonard Kinsey's doing cool shit now.
Guess we'll go this way.
This is so cool.
Ride through the park.
The entire park is closed.
Driving through Six Flags right now, so this is something special. Living on the edge.
Right, if we get in an accident in the park, it's not going to be good. So.
Yeah, I'll have bigger things to worry about.
Right.
Oh, yeah, it's right here.
Okay.
There we are.
So here you are.
Very cool. All right, Eric, what do you got for us today?
All right, so yeah, we're excited to show our new Macho Nacho restaurant, which is new this year. It's a new Mexican restaurant concept, which is right across from our Firebird coaster. So we have a great selection of fresh-made items. So we have burritos, rice bowls, loaded nachos, of course, because it's Macho Nacho, we have to have the Macho Nacho. And I heard you're a vegetarian, so we made something special for you.
I am a vegetarian.
Right? Which is not a problem, so we can customize however the customer wants. With, again, the cilantro lime rice base, some of the black beans, some of the fire roasted corn salsa, and a couple jalapenos on top just to take it to the next level. And that's for you.
Wow. This is great.
Yeah, and then right next door to our Macho Nacho, we have a La Cantina bar, which is a full-service walk-up bar. So get a cold beer. We have frozen margaritas, which come with strawberry and mango, frozen Jack and Coke, our signature Firebird cocktail. So yeah, it's a great place right across from the new ride. A great place to relax.
Well, thank you so much for this.
Not a problem.
I'm just chowing down. All right, guys, this is good stuff. They listen to my feedback. They got more vegetarian options. Can't ask for better than this. So yeah, the meal plan's a good deal. It does go on sale multiple times a year. You can get the one where you just get lunch and a snack, or there's one where you can get dinner and lunch and a snack. If you're gonna come here a lot, if you're a pass holder, probably worth getting.
And even if you're coming as for a day or bringing a friend with you, we even have a one-day dining.
Oh, you do?
We do.
Wow.
So all options that fit your budget and fit what you need as a family. So we're here.
All right, great. Thanks so much, Eric.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Here we are at the new Firebird coaster. So it took over Apocalypse, is what it used to be, which was a stand-up coaster. Nice coaster, but to be honest, it was pretty uncomfortable to ride. I'm expecting this one to be a lot smoother. So this is a floorless coaster. Instead of an overhead track like the Mindy Racer, which is that side of the park, this is a underneath track, but it's still floorless. So yeah, let's take a ride.
Go, have fun.
All right.
Now the suspense.
All right, so we rode it, and it was good. It's they're a little bumpy at times, but you know what? It's a good coaster. It's a hell of a lot better than Apocalypse, which, like I said, that was rough. It was a stand-up and not comfortable at all. This is much better. Pretty well themed. The fire's cool, and the fire's hot. And yeah, you know, it's nice that they're adding to the park every year, every other year. They're going to put something new in, and I really appreciate that. And I also appreciate, like I said, that they have new food offerings, new drink offerings, vegetarian food. There used to only be one bar in the park where they serve cocktails, and now there's two, which is great, especially for someone like me who likes to drink when they're in the amusement park. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased with what Six Flags America is doing right now. You know, it's cool to have a neighborhood park like this that's close by, that I can get a season pass at and just come to all the time. It's not Disney World, but it's not trying to be. It's just it's a nice park. So this was a great event, and thanks for joining me. Leonard Kinsey out. All right, and now this is cool. Event's over. We're leaving. We get to walk out of the park. The park is empty, so we're just gonna walk through an empty park. Very exciting. All right, you ready? Dark side!